Hello everyone, this is Team Enigma presenting to you our project, Marti, an AI-based crop recommendation system which has been designed to help the farmers in selecting crops. The solution put forth is a user-friendly mobile application which runs on a multilingual aspect that makes recommendations considering parameters for good agricultural practices and intelligent farming methods such as mixed cropping, crop rotation, etc. The application is based on deep learning and machine learning algorithms to detect the soil type, given an image and recommend the best fit crop along with further suggestions. The app starts after an easy user login using mobile number. After login, the user is taken to the main menu page where the user can navigate through different features of Marti app. The main and prime feature of Marti app is Marti Cam, which is used for crop prediction. The user is required to click the image of the land on which the farming has to be done and send it to the server for processing and to predict soil type using deep learning models. The predicted soil type will be used as a parameter for crop recommendation. The next feature that we have is Marti News. Here we can find all the updates regarding agriculture and farming. All the news and all the current affairs can be found in this section. Another feature that we have in this app is Marti Analysis, which gives us all the weather updates from the farmer's current location. User's current location and weather conditions will also be sent to the server for crop prediction, and altogether all the parameters will be used to predict the crop which is suitable for cultivation. Another feature which has been incorporated in this app is Marti Shop, a one-stop junction for farmers wherein they can buy and sell all the needed products for farming, such as seeds, fertilizers, tools, and pesticides. Further, they can also buy things on cash, pay later, and easy EMI options. Another important feature which has been included in Marti is its multilingual feature wherein the users can switch between 10 plus regional languages. Another interesting option provided by Marti is Marti Services, wherein the farmers can find different schemes and measures brought out by government for agricultural practices, and they can also find different state agencies wherein they can sell their products. Another feature that we have here is Kisan Call Center, which will connect the farmers directly to Kisan Seva Kendra. The last feature which has been included is History section, wherein all the search details would be saved.